Hey buddy, welcome to Datatastic. I'm Paul, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can plot bar graphs in R using the ggplot2 package. So let's jump right in. The very first thing we have to do, if you haven't done it yet, is install ggplot. To do so, you say install.packages and then in quotes ggplot2. Next, you have to use the library command to activate the package. And now it's time to look at the dataset that we are going to use. So we are going to use a dataset called mtcars. So that's a standard dataset that comes with R. So we can look at it down here in the console. And what we want to do is we want to visualize the number of cylinders of the car. So the cars either have 6, 4 or 8 cylinders, and we want to create a bar graph that shows the number of cars for each number of cylinders. Okay, so to create a bar graph, we start off with the ggplot command, and as the first parameter called data, we have to pass our dataset, mtcars. And then here inside the aesthetics, we can set our x value. So we write x equals, and then we change the data type to factor. So we have 3 different factors, 3 different levels, either 4, 6 or 8 cylinders. So s.factor, and then we pass the cylinder column, CYL in this case. Then we use a plus sign, and then we can in the next line create the actual bar graph. So we say geom_bar, and then we can, for example, set a fill color. So I want the bars to be dark orange. So we can say fill equals dark orange. And if you want to, you can change the width of the bars. So I've set it to 0.5, so they are a bit smaller than usual. And you can add another plus, and you can change the labels. So you can set a title for the complete bar graph. I've just named it my bar graph. Then a label for the x-axis, which is cylinders, and for the y-axis it's count. And I mean, you can already look at it. So if we print it, you can see that's our bar graph. Fairly thin bars filled in dark orange, and you can see we have 11 cars probably with 4 cylinders, 7 with 6 cylinders, and 13 or 14 cars with 8 cylinders. So what you can optionally do is create another plus sign and then use the command coord flip. And if we print this, you can see we now have a horizontal bar graph. So as you see, it's very easy to create a bar graph using ggplot2. I hope this introductory video was helpful. If it was, and if you are interested in more videos about R and RStudio, feel free to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.